This week in the Frame Shop, we are on location at the Lux in Las Colinas, Texas, where we just completed this piece of rope art. This is 250 feet of continuous rope that we looped through all of these screw eyes and around the ring. We've been wrapping rope all day long. It's finally finished. So stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you a little slideshow of the process. So this started out as an internet picture from our designer. She sent it to us and it was up to us to figure out how to execute it. So I think that we managed to fulfill her vision. So stick around to the end of the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and send us your crazy internet pictures and we will do our best. I'll see you next time in the Frame Shop.